Do you often wake up feeling more tired than when you went to bed? Is tossing and turning a nightly ritual? What if I told you that your restless nights aren't just a part of getting older, but are actually robbing you of your energy, your memory, and even shortening your healthy years? Deep, restorative sleep is truly your ultimate anti-aging secret, but many of us unknowingly engage in sleep-stealing habits every single night. Today, we're going to uncover 4 common nighttime mistakes that are sabotaging your rest and, more importantly, give you simple, practical ways to fix them. Stay with us, because unlocking better sleep could transform your entire day. 1. Why sleep matters so much after 50. You see, as we age, quality sleep becomes even more critical. It's not just about feeling rested. It's when your body performs essential repair work. Your brain cleanses itself of toxins that can contribute to memory issues. Your cells regenerate, your hormones balance, and your immune system strengthens, ready to fight off illness. Many people believe they need less sleep as they get older, but that's a myth. While the quality of sleep can change, our bodies still need around 7–9 hours of good, solid rest. So, if you're not getting it, it's time to identify those sleep stealers. 2. The 4 nighttime habits and solutions. Sleep stealer. Late night stimulants and heavy meals. Our first sleep stealer is all about what we consume in the hours leading up to bedtime. Are you still having that cup of coffee after dinner, or perhaps a glass of wine to wind down? And what about those heavy late night meals? Why it's a problem? Caffeine, even if consumed in the afternoon, can stay in your system for hours, keeping your brain alert. Alcohol, while it might initially make you feel sleepy, actually fragments your sleep later in the night, preventing you from getting restorative deep sleep and REM sleep. And a heavy meal close to bedtime forces your digestive system to work overtime when it should be resting, leading to discomfort, heartburn, and disturbed sleep. The fix: mind your meal and drink timing. Caffeine. Cut off caffeine intake at least 6–8 hours before bed. For many over 50, even earlier might be better. Alcohol? Try to avoid alcohol within 3–4 hours of bedtime. If you do have a drink, keep it moderate. Heavy meals. Aim to finish your last large meal at least 3 hours before you plan to sleep. If you get hungry, opt for a small, light, easily digestible snack like a banana, a handful of almonds, or a cup of herbal tea. Chamomile, lavender. Imagine feeling lighter, more comfortable, and drifting off to sleep with ease instead of a churning stomach or a wired mind. Sleep stealer 2. Excessive screen time and blue light. Here's a modern sleep stealer that many of us are guilty of: too much screen time before bed. Do you find yourself wide awake at a.m., scrolling through your phone, checking emails, or watching TV? Why it's a problem? Our electronic devices, phones, tablets, computers, and even LED TVs emit blue light. This specific wavelength of light tells your brain it's daytime, actively suppressing the production of melatonin, your body's natural sleep hormone. When melatonin is low, your brain struggles to switch into sleep mode, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. This effect is even more pronounced as we age, as our natural melatonin production already tends to decline. Fix: wind down naturally. Digital sunset. Implement a digital sunset at least 1–2 hours before bed. This means no phones, tablets, or computers. If you must use them, consider blue light filtering glasses or activating night shift or blue light filter settings on your devices. Alternative activities. Instead, engage in relaxing activities like reading a physical book, listening to calming music, doing some gentle stretches, or having a quiet conversation with a loved one. Dim the lights. Start dimming the lights in your home an hour or 2 before bed to signal to your body that it's time to produce melatonin. Give your brain the cue it needs to relax and prepare for sleep. It's amazing what a little less blue light can do. 4. Sleep myth busting now. For a common misconception that often surprises people, many of us, especially as we age, might think, a nightcap helps me fall asleep. So you have a glass of wine or a bit of whiskey thinking it's helping you drift off. Here's the mid-video twist and the truth. While alcohol can make you feel drowsy and help you fall asleep faster, it drastically disrupts the quality of your sleep, particularly your crucial REM rapid eye movement and deep sleep cycles. These are the stages where your brain processes memories, repairs cells, and truly restores itself. Alcohol acts as a sedative initially, but as your body metabolizes it, you're more likely to wake up in the middle of the night, have fragmented sleep, and feel tired and unrefreshed the next morning, even if you slept for hours. So, if you're using alcohol to help you sleep, you're actually doing your body a disservice. Are you surprised to hear this? It's a common trap many of us fall into. Sleep Stealer 3. Inconsistent sleep schedules. Our bodies thrive on routine, and our internal clock, or circadian rhythm, is no exception. This brings us to our third sleep stealer: inconsistent sleep schedules. Do you go to bed at different times each night and then try to catch up on sleep on the weekends? Why it's a problem? Our circadian rhythm dictates when we feel awake and when we feel sleepy, largely influenced by light and darkness. When you constantly change your bedtime and wake up time, especially after 50, you're essentially giving your internal clock jet lag every few days. This confuses your body's natural hormone production like melatonin and cortisol, making it incredibly difficult to fall asleep easily and wake up refreshed consistently. Embrace consistency. Fixed schedule. Go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time every day, even on weekends. Yes, even on weekends. This is the single most powerful tool for regulating your circadian rhythm. Gradual adjustment. If you need to shift your schedule, do it gradually by 15–30 minutes each day, rather than drastic changes. Morning light. Get some natural light exposure first thing in the morning. Open your curtains. Step outside for a few minutes. This helps reinforce your body's wake up signal. Your body loves predictability. Giving it a consistent sleep schedule is like giving it a comforting, reliable routine. Sleep Stealer 4. An unsanctuary bedroom environment. Finally, let's talk about the space where you spend 1/3 of your life. Your bedroom. Does your bedroom truly feel like a sanctuary for rest? Or is it more like a multi-purpose room? Why it's a problem? Your sleep environment plays a huge role in sleep quality. Too much light, even small indicator lights, excessive noise, or an uncomfortable temperature can constantly pull you out of deep sleep without you even realizing it. A cluttered room can also create mental clutter, making it harder to relax. As we age, we can become even more sensitive to these external disturbances. The fix: create your sleep haven. Darkness is key. Make your bedroom as dark as possible. Use blackout curtains, wear an eye mask, or cover any small indicator lights. Quiet zone. Minimize noise. Use earplugs, a white noise machine, or a fan to block out disruptive sounds. Cool comfort. Keep your bedroom cool, ideally between 60–67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15–19 degrees Celsius. A slightly cool room signals to your body it's time to sleep. Tidy and inviting. Keep your bedroom tidy and reserved for sleep and intimacy. Avoid working, eating, or watching TV in bed. Turn your bedroom into a true haven for sleep. It's a small investment with huge returns for your rest. 3. Bonus tips and final thoughts. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you're feeling more empowered to take control of your sleep. Here are a few bonus tips to further enhance your rest. 1. Magnesium power. Consider a magnesium supplement like magnesium glycinate before bed. It's a natural muscle relaxant and helps calm the nervous system, and many elders are deficient. Always consult your doctor first. 2. Aromatherapy. A few drops of lavender essential oil on your pillow or in a diffuser can promote relaxation. 3. Gentle movement. Regular daytime exercise, especially outdoors, can significantly improve sleep quality. Just avoid intense workouts too close to bedtime. 4. No naps or short ones. If you struggle with nighttime sleep, avoid long naps during the day, or keep them short, 20–30 minutes, and early in the afternoon. 4. Strong recap. Let's quickly recap the 4 sleep stealers we've learned to avoid, and their simple fixes. Late night fuel fails. Mind your caffeine, alcohol, and heavy meal timing. The blue light trap. Implement a digital sunset and dim lights before bed. Erratic sleep schedules. Embrace consistency in your bedtime and wake up time. Unsanctuary bedroom. Create a dark, quiet, cool, and tidy sleep haven. It's truly empowering to know that better sleep isn't just a dream, but an achievable reality through small, consistent changes. Remember, prioritizing deep sleep is one of the most powerful things you can do for your memory, energy, mood, and overall vitality in your golden years. You deserve truly restorative rest. If this video shed some light on your sleep struggles and motivated you to try these fixes, please give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, family, and anyone over 50 who could benefit from a good night's rest. Let's help everyone sleep better. And if you haven't already, subscribe to your Elder's Health channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos filled with practical, easy to apply advice for a healthier, happier you. Which of these sleep stealers are you going to tackle first?